Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to create a transition on CapCut PC on the beginning of your video. So let's get it on. It's really easy to do. You have a little bit tricky about this tutorial. What you have to do, for instance, I put these two CapCut logos and then I put some one transition. This is the glare through transition, which is like a fire like this. It's really cool, is it? And then how to make it only on the beginning. So I don't want this picture or this video, and then I just want start my video start from this transition. So what you have to do, as I said before, it's a little bit tricky. You don't need to modify your timeline, but you export only the particular video as the beginning. So what you have to do, you just drag on your videos like this, and then you can click range and then select an area by clip. Okay, after that you export. So it does mean that you only export on selected video like this. So this section, this timeline will not include on your export, so your video will be start from transition. So let's see the result. I will export it to, let's say, ABCD. Click export, and then it's really fast because it's really simple video. I open the folder. Oops, where is it? So this is the folder. See, this is the ABCD. See, it's cool. So your transition begin on at the start or the beginning of your video. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Visit, please subscribe our channel, and if you click thanks down below, we will really appreciate that. And thank you for watching. I hope you well, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.